How to fix not everyone can message this account on Instagram. If any day you face a problem like not everyone can message this account on Instagram and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Instagram out there, and then tap on that. After you tap on the Instagram application like this, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, now you can see an interface like this. You have to scroll down and then go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache out there, you have to clear down the cache and then go back again and then go to the next option, that is app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, you can see the option like this. Now if you see the option of update there, you have to update your very application. Otherwise, you can directly open the Instagram application on your mobile device and then go to your profile section on the right portion and then go to the three lines on the top. Now you have to go to the option of the settings and privacy. After you go to the option of the settings and privacy, now you can see an interface like this. You have to tap on the option of the message and story replies and then go to the option of the message controls. Now here you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of allow access to the messages like this and you have to just enable it. Again, you have to go to the option of the message control like this, and after you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. In the potential connection, you can see the very option of message request. You have to enable it. Again, in the next option, there is others on Instagram. You can go to the option of the message request and enable like this, and this way your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.